What is it, Jeffrey?
Can I come inside just for a sec?
Why?
Because I got a cleaning crew in today that cost me $49, which I don't have because I just got fired.
Look for me, good. Me not business if the Lord himself reach him man out of the sky and pick up for your house in him hand and crush it. You cannot come in here.
I want to see if I was still stinking up your place.
And you stink. Me don't want no stinking man in my house. Look for me good. You forget when you offer me that sandwich then? But instead the sandwich stink. Come in like say about the sandwich. You chef the poison me? Take me a fool? You take me name from people? Think again, come here name from people. You go back and you stinking little dirty house. Yo, come in like say you want me to get violent with you, Jeffrey. Tell the cleaning crew after them finish clean for your house, them for clean your toe, cause you're not coming in here. Boy, what the rock?
Hi there.
Why your house smell so?
What do you mean?
The bumble you mean what me mean? Your house smell like wet dog batty wall.
Well, my grandma had some bad pork over, and I...
Fuck off with your thinking, granny. No food smells so. Me smell thinking food in my life. But this smell, it different. You're suspicious. Something about you, my spirit no take. You're a strange looking man. You know now, man. You're living there, you're sleeping there, you're eating there. And you not vomit? You're sick.
I don't understand.
You know, sister, me can't live in a peace. See, Kayo. Me buy me nice bath and body work them for bed with. And me can't even enjoy the set them. See, Kayo. Instead, me I smell for your thinking house. We smell like rotten out body. And the perfume cannot eliminate the scent from for your thinking house. Yo, me do bad things to you, know, Jeffrey. Don't piss me off, man.
I'm really sorry about that. Would you like a sandwich as a good gesture?
What that?
I made the sandwich out of my special meat.
Sandwich again?
You really like it?
Me decline your sandwich, Dada, dear. And you come back again with the same sandwich? Fuck off with that dirty stinking sandwich. You just hurt my soul, yo.